What's up guys, I'm Damien from NY and today we will talk about safety. Safety is very important in a shop, whether you are working with hand tools or power tools. If you are new here, hit the red subscribe button and let's begin. So guys, welcome in my patio. Today we will talk about safety. You will notice in my past video there was no safety at all. Then a friend highlighted how important it is to be safe when working. So guys, here is the best safety gear I found on the market. When working, you will need to protect your head, your hands, your feet, and your whole body. Let's start from the top to the bottom. For your head, you will need to protect your ears, your eyes, and your mouth. You can protect your ears with an silicone earplug like this one, which is reusable. Or you can use an earmuff, which is adequate for power tools equipment. For your eyes, this is a nice goggle I found, which is at the same time a glass and a goggle. There is a silicone border, which is very comfortable while working, which protect your eyes from dust and any debris. While working in a workshop, there is a lot of dust, or while painting, you need to protect yourself with a nice and protective mask. So this is a nice mask I found on the market, which can adapt either the dust filter or the chemical filter. So guys, when you are selecting all these gears for your face, for your head, make sure that the goggles, the earmuff, and the mask all fit together so that you are comfortable when working. So guys, another thing I will add is to protect your hair with a cap from any dust. So guys, let's move on how you can protect your hand. Here is a nice pair of gloves I found on the market. It's very close to skin and easy to work and easy to grab piece of wood. So guys, for your feet, make sure to wear nice safety shoes to protect your feet. Guys, the way you dress in a workshop is very important. Make sure to wear tight clothes. Loose clothes may get stuck in any tools you're using. Make sure to wear a nice jean and a tight shirt while working. If you want to protect your clothes, you can wear an apron. So guys, accident is very prone to happen in a workshop. So make sure you are working in a very safe environment and make sure to protect yourself. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this video is very helpful. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on the bell notification to get notified when I post a new video.